to show you Sailor Song by Gigi Perez. It's really just 2 parts, 3 chords, and a tricky rhythm. Grab your capo, put it on the 4th fret, and let's go ahead and dive into the intro first. So here's the intro at full speed. Okay, so let's break it down. The rhythm first. The overall rhythm for all of the song is going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. One more time, that's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And I'm specifically emphasizing 3 separate points. The first down strum, down, and then the last down strum of this next set. So down, down, up, down, up, down. And then the last down strum of the next set. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. And then finally, to finish off that rhythm, it's down, up. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Which is weird, but that's what I'm hearing. That's the push. You don't need to do that, but it'll make it sound pretty cool. So that's the rhythm for the entire song. That's what I'm going to consider 1 measure or 1 bar. So if you hear me reference that, that's what I mean. Now let's get into a little bit of the chords. So the chords I have basically figured out by way of watching her play it live. So when she plays it live, she actually plays a C major 7 over G. And I know that's a lot. So I'm just going to say C. And by the way, you still can play a C here. And that sounds totally fine. But there's a little bit of that swimmy kind of etherealness to it, and that's coming from this shape here. So a C major is C, E, G. Sounds great, major chord. The C major 7 is picking up your first finger. And now that gives you that dreaminess, right? That adds that 7. And then if I put my G on the bass, which is the 3rd fret E string, now I added a little bit of warmth to it. So there's a lot going on, but it's a very easy chord, as you can see. So it's the middle finger on the 3rd fret E, my ring finger on the A string of my 3rd fret, and my first finger right here on the D string 2nd fret. Everything else is open. Not too bad, right? So that's what I'm going to say as when I say C, I want you to play that. And now we're going to an E minor. And we go back to our C. Back to our E minor. That's your intro. Not too bad, right? So then there's one more chord that pops in, and that's when we were playing basically everything else, the verses, the choruses. And so what they're going to play is what I actually did on the intro. Let me go and give you the quick and dirty reminder of what that is. Here's your verse, your chorus, most of the song. So the only chord that I added was a G6. Which is really easy. It's my middle finger on the E string 3rd fret, my index finger, my first finger, on the A string 2nd fret. Everything else is open, right? Although you're noticing that I'm not really going down to the top strings a whole lot, the high E and B. I'm kind of staying a little bit low and keeping it warm, but totally your option. So that's the G6. Cool? And by the way, you can also play a G there, that's totally fine, but you know, try whenever that's easier. So that's your verse and your chorus and everything else. It's a C major 7 over G. It's an E minor, and then it's a G6 twice. So here it is a little slower. Got it? Okay. And so that right there is basically it. That's the whole song, Sailor Song by Gigi Perez. If you guys like that, please leave a like, comment, and all that stuff. Share it with a friend. And I do have it for free on my Patreon if you want to go find it over there. Thank you guys for watching.